Hello everyone. Today I am going to help you out with the margin calculator, how you can calculate the margin, okay, and how it will benefit you for the profit, how much profit you are going to make from the margins. So let's Google it. Let's go for the margin calculator of equity. We have margin calculator for equity futures, commodity currency future and option. But and the best part is that we have the margin calculator for bracket and cover orders. The both orders are very important, in which you can earn a good amount of profit while doing intraday. So having a good amount of margin for bracket order and covered order is more and more beneficial for anyone who is doing intraday. So here we are having the list of stocks of this script, which have given the list that you are going to have three times three multiplier, and in CNC one multiplier. Okay, this is all about the margin. We have the list on the zerodha margin calculator, how much zerodha is providing margin for that. I am not promoting zerodha, but the good thing about zerodha is it is having a nice margin calculator, and good amount of margin is provided by zerodha. You can let's select an one stock, like let's select Bank of Baroda. Okay, here we get the Bank of Baroda equity. We are going to calculate the intraday, how much margin we are going to. So let's take suppose if we have 10,000 rupees, and the stock price is, let's keep it 100. Okay, so what will be the, see, in CNC we can buy 100 shares, which is cash and carry forward. You can carry it to the next day. And in MIS stands for intraday purpose. Okay, so you have to sell within the same day, or you have to square off by 3 p.m. So we can see here that the cash is 10,000, stock price is 100. In cash and carry forward, we can just buy 100 shares by the amount we are having. But while doing MIS, we are going to have 1428 stock of Bank of Baroda. So that's the power of margin calculator. And you can see that if you are having suppose take you are having 1 lakh, okay, and the stock price is 100, you will be getting the intraday. For intraday you will getting 14,000 stocks for Bank of Baroda equity, and for cash and carry you are getting 1,000. That is 14 times than the your capacity you can buy the stock. So let's go for the calculator, so that we get to know how much profit can we earn. See, let's take that. Let's see that how much profit we will get if we are going for intraday purpose, and if we are getting 14,285 stocks of Bank of Baroda. I am talking about equity. So let's take 14285. Okay, this is what about the multiply by 100. The actual value of the intraday stock price is, we can see here that 14,28,500 rupees we have to pay for the 14,000 quantity of intraday of Bank of Baroda. But with the help of margin we are getting around, with the help of margin we just have to pay rupees 1 lakh to get 14,000 quantity of Bank of Baroda. If we were not having any kind of margin, then we have to spend around 14 lakh 28,500 rupees. Now this is the actual amount of money which our broker has paid for the quantities. Okay, the 14,285 28,500 is the actual amount what which our broker has paid. Now let's go, this is the amount of 100 quantities. Now let's sell the quantity. Now let's sell the quantity at suppose if we sell the quantity at 101, so what will be our profit? Let's count it. Let's the quantity, let's our selling price be 101. Okay, multiply by the quantity 1428. Okay, let's calculate how much profit we are going to have. You can see that we are going to have profit around, let's deduct, this from minus, let's deduct this from minus 1428500. How much profit we are going to have? See, let's calculate. 1442785 is the value of 101 price value. 101 into 14285 quantity is the price, 14 lakh 42,785 minus the price we have paid for 100 is that 142,850. This is what we paid for the 100 quantity. Now let's calculate how much it is, how much the profit is. Profit is around 14,285. Okay, so that's the profit you are getting, 14,285. So, and you are putting the amount, you are putting the amount 1 lakh, and you are having the profit of around 14,285 by just 1 point, by just having the 1 point increase in 1 point. Here it is 100 and we have sold it at 101, then we are going to have the profit of around 14,285. Why? Because we are getting the good amount of margin here for equity, for intraday. It's, we can see here it is the 14 times than a person can buy. Okay, so that's the power of margin. That's, and here it's the list, here is the list of all the stocks. In some there are 9 multipliers, in some there are 14, in some there are 20. Okay, you guys can go, and when you go for the bracket order and cover order, you will get more than you think. It's around 20 times, around 20 to 30 times you get here for intraday. Let me explain you. Let's take the price around, let's go for the Bank of Baroda. Price is around 100. Quantity to trade is around let's take 1000 quantity. Okay, and how much leverage we are, see, we are getting here 20 times leverage. We just need 4,800 rupees for the actual value 1 lakh rupees. If we buy 1000 quantity to trade for price 100 rupees, we just need 4,800. Here we can see that the actual value for 100 for 1000 quantity with price 100 is 1 lakh, but how much do we require is 4,800. Why? Because we are getting 20.8 multiplier leverage in zerodha from zerodha. That's what the margin requirement is here. And so for the different stocks, and you will get more margin in the list of other stock. Okay, so I think this would be helpful for you while going for the margin with intraday purpose. Thank you, and please like and subscribe for the latest video from my side, and please tap on the bell icon so that you can receive the latest information from my side, and I will always help you with the amazing and new videos and strategies for stock market. Please and like Please like and subscribe. I hope you like this. I hope it will benefit you in the future. Happy investing, happy trading. Thank you. Have a nice day.